Okay, so this Kato set can make about a 4x8 foot oval of track. It does contain a lot of track, and I won't set up all of it right here, but I will do a nice large oval here in the middle of the room. The track slides together very easily, so you can very quickly snap it together, and it does connect solidly and securely. You may end up with little bits of styrofoam in the track pieces, and that can prevent you from getting the connections all the way secured. So the little beads do kind of stick, obviously, and so that is something to watch out for. If you get a little piece of styrofoam stuck in here, it makes it hard to securely lock the track pieces. So I'll do each side of this oval. And if you want to, you can always put a section of straight track here in the middle of the oval, make it a little bit more of a square. I'll go ahead and do that. Actually, this would be a good one to put the terminal track on that has the wires connected to it. So now I have a roughly 5 by 7 foot oval of track here. I everything together correctly. Add the extension on here. You do not get a power pack with the Kato track set here. They do sell introductory sets that include a train and a power pack. This one is just the track. However, I do have a power pack. This is an old Tech 2 one from actually a few decades ago. But you can use the screw terminals on here. So let's go ahead and screw those terminal clips on there. Plug it in, and we should be good to go. To use as a demonstration, I'm going to use the Harry Potter Hogwarts Express train. I have a review to that as well. And I'll just go ahead and take the train out of here. And while this set does have a nice oval of track that comes with it, along with the turnout, it does not work as well on carpeting that has a deeper pile to it, just because it's just a track without roadbed, and so it's not going to sit quite as steady on carpeting in some cases. So having a roadbed included does help with having it set up on carpet. Okay, and we'll try this out. The dog is very interested in the train. So anyway, there you go, the Kato HV5 track set in HO scale. Again, this particular set does not include a power pack, no kind of throttle to control a train, and it does not include a train either. They do make complete sets that do include power packs and trains and everything that you need to get going. But if you already have a train set that you're trying to run, maybe the track is bad, you want to replace it, so you have something very reliable that can go around that Christmas tree. You do have a large oval of track that comes with it. So if you are looking to upgrade the track in an existing train set, or maybe build your own train set by buying just the track and then buying a locomotive and some cars separately, this does work really well. So anyway, that's a quick look at the Kato HV5 track set. That's all for now, and thanks for watching. Bye.